got us some fish already. Been up for about 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. A lot of head shakes, y'all. Think we got our first one. Let's go. South Louisiana, baby, that's what we out here for. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while since y'all seen us fishing for catfish, but we done finally thawed out a little bit down here. We're gonna go try to get us some bait. I got a bluegill, I got some other couple little small panfish that I'm gonna start off with, but I'm gonna still try to go through the cast net and catch some mullets, some shad, something like that. We're gonna go to the camp, man. This will be my first time fishing at the camp since probably like October or something, man. It's the first big fishing trip, should I say, of the new year. Hopefully we can get on something, because we ain't been having no luck with the bluegills at the ponds. You know, y'all seen the video. Y'all seen the last video, man. We was snowed in a blizzard. I don't know if the fish caught the memo yet, but the snow is gone. It's like 70 degrees this morning. 1 week ago, we were 7 degrees. A week later, we're 75, 80 degrees. So, I go to show you how the weather's been down here. But we'll go try to get on some catfish at the camp. Hopefully they biting. I mean, gotta do something, right? Y'all stay tuned. Let's see if we can bring y'all some fish. That was a bad throw. Now on that one, I threw it low and as far as I could and let it fall, and I felt them hit pretty far down. So let's try again. Look at this, y'all. Two nice sized little mullet, 10 or 11 inches. The old beach road, man. That snow we had turned a lot of stuff brown, but we still got a lot of green on these old oak trees and stuff like that. So we'll see, but it's been a while, man. I don't know if it rained or it's just a heavy dew, but it looked like it might have rained this morning because they got a lot of wetness around this camp. I've been up since 6 and I haven't seen no rain, so it must have came through before that. Anyway, let's go. All right, y'all, we made it out here. We got some bait, 2 mulletses. We didn't get no shad, but that's all right. The tide is at a standstill right now. It's starting to pick up a little bit and move out, which is a good thing, because I'm hoping catching this tide just starting to move, we might catch some fish biting. So water looks decent today compared to yesterday. It had a rust color when I came right out here and looked at it, but it looks real good today, a lot better. Not terrible for the bayou. It's a little bit higher than I seen it yesterday, so that's also a good sign. Let's get these baits on these rods. Let's get these rods in that water. Let's catch us some fish today. All right, first thing we're gonna do, y'all know the routine, 100-pound K9 cat line on here, down to some 100-pound leader. We're gonna start off putting our sinkers on there. That's some homemade 8-ounce sinkers. This one right here still has a leader from fishing at Burns Point. It's a 100-pound steel leader with a 9/0 Nocturnal Nation pig sticker. And then we're gonna put another 8-ounce lid on this one. I know there's no current, but it's gonna pick up, so I'm gonna just put it on there now. Same setup, 100-pound K9 cat line, 100-pound leader. But on this one, we have a 8/0 Nocturnal Nation pig sticker. Now, what we gonna do right here is whip out this old handy dandy Danco Tournament Series bait knife. I love this thing. We're gonna get this little bluegill right here. As soon as he stops cutting up, all right. This is actually a little chicken pen. We're gonna get us a good head section. We're gonna put that head section on this 9/0 right here. Like such. Y'all see that? That looks good to y'all. That look like that's gonna catch a fish, because it look like it's gonna catch one of me. Then we're gonna go in this bucket and we're gonna get one of these old nice mullets right here. We're gonna lob the head piece off on that. Look at the light work that Danco does, right? I'm telling y'all, check out the link in the bio, man. Y'all can get y'all some Danco products as well. All right, we're gonna take this head piece and put this on this 8/0. I know it's a bigger head piece on a smaller hook, but we're just gonna have to go with it like it is. All right, perfect. That is the perfect size bait to hook ratio right there. If that's what I was looking for, that would be picture perfect. Like, it don't get no much better than that. So let's put that there. Clean these old hands off real quick. Can't be touching my rods with no dirty hands, man. Let's put this head piece out over here to the right. A bunch of dead grass out there, man. All right, let's get this one right here out there. I'm gonna try to put it in between this gap over there. I mean, we ain't got no current, so I can go all the way to the right. Let's see. Or to the left. Perfect. That's in a deep hole over there, y'all. Look at that. It's barely getting to the bottom. We about to catch something right here. That tide is starting to pick up real good, so get the slack out. Keep the slack out your lines. Very important with fishing like this. All right, we got the swamp sticks loaded up. 2 swamp sticks, so it's not hard to pick. As them swamp sticks custom rods, extra heavy. Go check them out, because we got these same rods available. That's the Pure Cajun Outdoors Signature Series. A lot of y'all asked about them. There's your chance to get one. Limited edition made, limited series made, quantities that is. So, mullet head piece, bluegill head piece. What y'all think is gonna bite first? Drop some comments below. Let's go. It's about to go. Oh, we got a fish on here. Gotta be, right? Let's go. And it feels like a decent fish too. Ooh. Yeah, this feels like a decent little fish, man. Probably about 10 pounds or so. I don't know where these boys been eating, but he's eating good. There y'all go, man. First fish of 2025 off the dot. That's the first fish of 2025, period. Man, probably a nice little 10-pound, 12-pound chunk, man. They've been eating. He's for sure healthy. Spicy white Neanderthal. He going in the cooler. We're gonna make tacos. Nocturnal Nation pig stickers. Swamp Sticks custom rods, K9 cat line braid. Let's go. All right, y'all, it's still super windy. As you can see, I just picked the rods up though. I picked the rods up, but I'm not gonna shut this trip down just yet. I'm gonna go ride to the mouth where this right here ties into the lake. Just for 35-40 minutes just to see. I still got a mullet left, so we're gonna have some bait just to go see maybe. I don't know, these fish are eating somewhere. Y'all seen the size of that fish, right? So he's eating. It just may not be here. The mouth of that lake where that deep hole is, that could be where they're eating a lot more frequently than this. So let's load up, go take a ride. We might fish there, we might not. I gotta see the conditions. If it's anything like this and it's white capping and it's rough, I'm not gonna worry about it. But if it's fairly decent, we'll see. Let's go. Dan Cole tournament blade. I'm gonna go over here on this little piece of wood right here. We're gonna do a head piece. And a little body section. Put that little, I'm gonna bring it back and put it in the cooler. Ain't no need to leave it right there. My luck, the hand's gonna tow that up. So, put that right down. Let's open this up. We're gonna put let's put that head piece on here. Just like this morning. 10-aught Nocturnal Nation. That's an 8-aught Nocturnal Nation pig sticker. 9-aught Nocturnal Nation pig sticker. Close that. Let's wash our hands. Alright, so I've never actually fished from the bank right here before. I've fished this mouth several times, anchored off in the middle, tied off to them cypress trees across there. But I've even been pulled up to the bank over here on this side. I've just never fished it from the bank, so this is about to be somewhat of a new experience for all of us, and y'all go join this journey with me. So let's go out with the first one. Let's get this second rod out there, which is going to be the body section. We got one rod in, two rods in. Let's come walk over here. And there we go. One rod, two rod. Let's wish it luck. All right, y'all, I think we got us a fish already. We've been here for about 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. A lot of head shakes, y'all. Think we got our first one. Let's go. A lot of head shakes, man. He's pulling a little drag. And I just came back with getting water. I had to drop my water on the ground. This ain't even that big of a fish. Oh, he's nicer than I'm thinking, though. Real nice. Let me get my gaff, y'all. Decent fish. About the size of the one that we got at the camp. It might be a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, he's a little bigger than the one at the camp. Woo. Pure Cajun Outdoors. Nocturnal Nation pig. Stick with them for 5 minutes. Hogs. They've been eating good over here. Swamp Sticks, Custom Rods, K9 Cat Line. Let's go. Well, y'all, we set out to catch some fish today.
the first fish of 2025, man, of the new year. And some nice fish. Not the biggest fish, but the chunkiest fish I think I may have ever caught. You know, them fish have been eaten. I think I found where they're eating at now. I just probably should have come here earlier in the day, but it is what it is. If y'all are watching this video, we stream majority of this video making on YouTube Live. That's something I'm gonna start doing now. I know I used to go live on TikTok a lot. I've kind of left them alone until they figure out what's going on. I kind of was already checking out on the app, you know. I have a huge following there, you know, over 50,000 people. But it's terrible, so I'm gonna start putting a little bit more focus on this YouTube channel as far as the live streams go. I'll try to do them when I can and when I can't. But anyway, we came out here, we set out to catch some fish. We started off at the camp, at the dock, which is where I'd done the live stream. And I was ready to pick it up and go, man. But then I was like, let's just try it down there for a little while. Within the first 5 minutes, we caught that fish. And then we stayed for another 45 minutes after that and didn't catch nothing, but the tide stopped, the wind picked up. It's raining now. Kind of just got miserable. But we tried. I'm coming back probably this weekend when the wind dies down. I'll be back. It's Thursday now, so probably Friday. I'll spend tomorrow trying to find some fresh bait, and then probably Saturday morning I'll probably be over here. The wind's gonna switch out to south, blowing 20 mile an hour out to south, and it's gonna be blowing full 5 mile an hour out to north. We'll sit there and see if they acting the same. Probably not, but don't hurt to try. Anyway, look at the size of these catfish bellies, y'all. They have been eating everything in the bayou. It is just ridiculous. We about to go ahead and get the fillet knives and get these things cleaned out. We got another one. Y'all will see him whenever I put him up there, but he looks the same, y'all. Stay tuned. Beautiful white chunks of meat. Now, if y'all want to see me fillet these big catfish and show you how to do them using these Danco knives, go check out the Patreon. The link is below. Y'all, it's kind of hard. I don't want to risk demonetization showing some of these things that we show on those type of videos. So check them out at Patreon. You can watch me fillet both of them catfish, clean them up, show you what they was eating inside of their bellies with these Dancos. Y'all go check it out. Pure Cajun Outdoors. Bam. Link in the description for these Dancos too. Go check them out. That's all the knives I've been using lately, man. This is the fillet, the Pro Series for the fillet, man. It comes in a kit with the roll-up bag. Go check them out. Yeah, I think it's got the 7, the 9, or the 6, the 9, the 6, the 7, and the 9-inch fillet knife in them. You can get them in different colors. I like these right here, real slick, clean. Works great. But go check out the video on Patreon if y'all want to see me fillet these catfish, see what they was eating that had their belly so big, because we dissect one of them, and check it out. Pure Cajun Outdoors, let's go. Also, I know some of y'all are up north, so y'all ice fishing and things like that. But for those who have, if you ice fishing or not, drop it in the comments. What's been your first catches of 2025? Have you even started fishing in 2025 yet? Some of y'all don't ice fish and y'all just waiting for the ice to thaw. Y'all waiting for better weather in the springtime. Whatever it is, drop it in the comments. Let me know in 2025 if y'all fishing and what's y'all best catch so far this year. Outdoors, man. Don't forget, check out the links in the description. Get you some fresh hats. You can't never have too many hats, you know what I mean? We got different colorways. We got the shirts, discounts on everything you've seen me use. All on the website. Let's go check it out. Anyway, Pure Cajun Outdoors across all social media platforms. PureCajunOutdoors@gmail.com. Catch y'all on the next one.